the name of the Emperor, you will not falter! We can't hold! Run for your lives! Cowards! You will fight, or you will die.
I am Captain Gabriel Angelos of the Blood Ravens 3rd Company. Status.
My lord, forgive me. We have done all we can to stop the orcs, but we have failed. My men's lives are yours.
You stood your ground in the face of the Emperor's foes. You've done your duty. If your men have failed you, I will leave their judgment in your hands.
Thank you, my lord.
I am not here for your thanks. This port must be held if we are to maintain troops and supply lines to the planet's surface. That is why we are here. Now, what of the wounded and the civilians?
Stranded. We have few ships.
Then you shall have more. All Blood Raven flights execute Protocol 23 and initiate civilian evacuation. We will dispatch the ground forces.
Yes, my lord.
Ground forces, my lord, but the orcs have retreated.
You must know your enemy to defeat them, Colonel. Orcs only retreat to regroup. They will keep coming until you or they are dead. Brothers, let us destroy this alien filth.
Faith is our shield.
What a
Cleanse,
glorious day
purge,
for a battle.
kill.
As the stronghold, our frontline battle headquarters is currently being assembled.
the enemy shall
We
know
should
fear.
proceed with caution until it is finished.
Ever vigilant. Take and hold. We stand ready.
We must start capturing strategic points. While the enemies
These
of the
three
closest
still
strategic
draw
points will
breath.
do for
There
now.
can be no peace.
Let us capture them first, and then move on to the others. Splendid. The stronghold is complete. We must now set about establishing a proper frontline base. The first thing we need is a chapel barracks. That will allow us to call down more Space Marine squads.
Consolidating position on the objective. Stand ready. Orders received, brother. Take and hold. Consolidating position on the objective.
Beware the alien. The
Fear
mutant,
denies
the
faith.
heretic.
Tagging heads. We stand ready.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath. Excellent! The chapel barracks is finished. Now you can build some more Space Marine squads.
Here to serve. Initializing build protocol.
Beware the alien.
At your command.
The heretic. I serve mankind.
Faith is our shield.
If we are to defeat these orcs, we will need to call in some
Understood.
special weapons. We must build an
Marine
armory
squad
to get
deployed.
access to them.
Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721 initiated.
Fear denies faith. Faith is our shield. Direct us to the enemy.
Excellent. The armory is operational.
At your command.
The Space Marine
Ever
squads can now
vigilant.
upgrade their standard
Awaiting
bolters to
orders,
flamers
Lord.
and heavy
Awaiting
bolters.
orders.
Well done. We have captured several
Lord.
strategic points. Capturing strategic points and building listening posts on them earns us more requisition resource, which we can use when we build squads and equipment.
We stand ready. Orders
We must
received,
not forget
brother.
our power needs. Building a plasma generator will supply us with the power we need to keep our force going.
Initializing build protocol.
Heresy grows from idleness. Faith is our shield.
Yes, most beneficent one.
Plasma generators will continue to produce power at a constant rate, but there is a limit of how many plasma generators can be built per stronghold.
Build routine
Awaiting
721
orders.
initiated.
What is your order? We stand ready.
Excellent. The point is now protected from an orc retaliation.
I
We should
exist to
continue to
serve.
build listening posts on all
Heresy
our captured
grows from
points.
idleness.
Here to serve.
It is time to hunt down the source of these orcs. They must have a base somewhere within the walls of this Imperial facility. But where? Today, the enemy shall know fear.
Moving out.
Space Marines, advance!
Moving out. Commencing attack. The enemy is attacking.
An orc, my faith is my shield. There, a break in the
Ever
spaceport's
vigilant.
defensive wall. They must have blasted their way in. We must destroy this orc camp and any others these foul creatures may have constructed.
Initiating attack protocol 23.
Today, the enemy shall know fear. What would you have me do?
Commencing attack. No surrender! Cleanse, purge, kill.
Excellent. This orc camp has
Understood.
been destroyed.
Take and hold. Ever vigilant. Maintain attack formation. Stay vigilant, brothers.
Those Imperial Guardsmen look like they could use some assistance. Come, brothers, make haste.
Our prayers have been answered. Here come the Space Marines! We are the Imperial Guard. It is time we started
Walk
acting
softly
like it.
and carry a big gun. This day shall be a glorious one for
Defending
the
objective.
Imperium.
Taking orders received, brother. Attacking as ordered. Moving out. Understood. Orders received. Orders received, brother. Understood. Space Marines attack! For the
Regroup!
Orders received, brother. Weapons at ready. Fire. It is time. Attacking as ordered. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Moving out. Cleanse. Purge. Kill. Initiating attack protocol 23. Yes, my lord. Ever vigilant for the glory of the Imperium. Engaging the enemy. Initiating attack protocol 23.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Maintain attack formation. Cleanse, purge, kill. Onward to glory. Fear our wrath. Understood. Taking damage. We are the Emperor's chosen. Faith is our shield. Yes, my lord.
Today, the enemy shall know fear.
At your command. Fear denies faith.
My faith is my shield.
Form up, men! There's work to be done!
Praise the Emperor.
Commencing attack.
Emperor.
None shall stop us. Initiating attack protocol 23. Onward to glory! Onward to glory!
Space Marines, advance!
Orders received.
What would you
Ever vigilant.
Form up, men! There's work to be
walk
done!
softly and carry a big gun?
Moving out. Stay vigilant, brothers. Maintain attack formation. Consolidating position on the objective. Moving out. Understood. Fear our wrath. Cleanse, purge, kill.
Reporting for duty, sir.
Armor reporting.
Awaiting orders. Weapons at ready. It is time.
I await your instructions.
Direct us to the enemy. Understood.
Today, the enemy shall know fear.
Heavy support available. You've got it.
Faith is our shield. We are the Emperor's chosen. Orders received, brother. Moving out. Orders received, brother. Cleanse, purge, kill! Maintain attack formation. Fear denies faith. What is your order? Orders received. Taking haste. Yes, my lord. Faith is our shield. Yes, my lord. Heresy grows from idleness.
Lyman Russ here.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can
Heavy
be no
support
peace.
available.
Excellent. This Orc camp has been destroyed.
At your command. Awaiting orders. We are the Emperor's chosen. The area is secured. Heresy grows from idleness. Cleanse, purge, kill. Fear denies faith. Weapons at ready. It is time. Ever vigilant. Maintain attack formation. Orders received. Fear our wrath. Orders received, brother. Understood. Maintain attack formation. Direct us to the enemy, for the glory of the Imperium.
Regroup!
Direct us to the enemy. Fear our wrath.
Armor reporting.
Taking damage. Direct us to the enemy. Fear our wrath. Awaiting orders. Fear our wrath. Stay vigilant, brothers.
Armor reporting.
Direct us to the enemy. Cleanse, purge,
Walk softly
kill.
and carry a
Heavy
big
support
gun.
available. You've got it. Yes, sir.
Walk softly and carry a big gun. For the glory
Heavy
of
support
the Emperor.
available.
Yes, my lord. Awaiting orders. Orders received, brother.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Awaiting orders.
Armor reporting.
Under fire.
You've got it.
At your command. Maintain attack formation.
Here to serve. I exist to serve.
Armor reporting.
Area secure.
Armor reporting.
We stand ready. Direct us to the enemy. Initiating attack. The enemy is attacking. 23. What is your order? Cleanse, purge, kill.
Today the enemy shall know fear. By my command, attack!
Yes, Lord. As you wish. Yes, Lord.
Heavy support available.
Direct us to the enemy. The enemy is attacking. Moving out.
Walk softly and carry a
I await your instructions.
Direct us to the enemy.
There, that's the last of them. Well done, Blood Ravens. Victory is ours.
I am honored to be in the presence of a librarian. I wish to know how my men can better serve you.
We shall wait for the captain to finish his prayers. I saw you stand against the orcs. You are a brave man, Colonel. I wish I could say the same of your men.
I shall strengthen their resolve, my lord.
See that you do, or we shall do it for you. You have something you wish to say. Say it, Colonel.
How did you know?
Even without my psychic gifts, it is obvious. Speak.
Is it true your company eradicated a heresy on the planet of Cyrene recently? An exterminatus, down to the planet's last man, woman and child.
Colonel, your company is welcome, but such questions are not. Do not ask the captain about Cyrene if you intend to remain in his good graces. Brother Captain, the Colonel wishes an audience with you.
Thank you, Isidore.
My lord, my Tartarus 37th Imperial Guard Regiment stand ready to serve you in protecting the city. They wish to make amends for...
They will have many opportunities to prove themselves warriors worthy of the Emperor. The Blood Ravens are leaving the city. Its protection is in your hands.
I will ready my men. May I ask what your next course of action is?
Orcs only respect strength. I intend to show them that we have it in ample supply.